Hey there YouTube, Cheap Survival coming back at you again with another video. Today I have my March EDC update, and this is what I got. Start with the knives, same Kershaw, the model 1986 WM. Camera's not wanting to focus, but carrying this little one, my money pocket clip knife. I have a video on this, just hasn't uploaded yet. I think sometime this week. As well as this little Kershaw. It's not wanting to focus. This says 1350 WM, made in China, which is weird. I got a little notebook. Writing down anybody that enters in the contest when I'm on the go. Cell phone. Some chewing gum. Wallet. And then of course this big thing. Typically have my pen, but don't know what happened to my pen. Got one of my Cheap Survival fire kits in here. My cotton bandana. And I typically have pen and Sharpie in here, but I took those out for some reason. Flashlight. There we go. Not too bright, but it came with the Kershaw. Backup little light. Holy crap, that's loud. Okay, sorry if you heard all that noise. I live right next to a flight path, so you get planes flying all over and pretty much all hours of the day. Got chapstick. Over here I got my pill container. I just keep some heartburn pills, Tylenol, ibuprofen, memory stick, some of these blood glucose pills, my little Sherfield multi-tool. Got a file, flathead, 2 flatheads, okay, and the little knife, Wallet's got a bottle opener, Phillips. I honestly have no clue what the hell that is. It's weird. I don't know what that is. And little saw. Eventually I'll just get a little Swiss Army knife and use that, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. And here, band-aids, gauze, anti-diarrheal tablets, hand wipes, water purification tablets, just a ton of stuff, first aid wise. And that is it. Oh, yeah, forgot about these. Been wearing my Mad Max paracord. And that one. Oh. You really need to weigh this down. Really? Twice. My keys. Got a Bic. Okay. Back with the keys. House key, car key, my little key knife, K-tool, stick lighter, that good stuff. Forgot about my change container, and my little windproof lighter. I added that back to my EDC and pause this for a minute. Okay, and all that is my EDC. So far, I'm gonna change up a little bit because I ordered some knives. They should be coming in next week. And of course I'll be replacing these then. But that is my EDC for March. Another little quick thing. I picked up a couple more of these key knives. Put in my giveaway. Okay, that is it. This has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Over and out.